welcome to the Panther Gate Closer webinar. My name is Frederik Nees, Technical Sales Support and Training Officer at Locinox. Today I have the privilege to present you this webinar. Why has Locinox developed another gate closer? We have a wide range of high-quality gate closers available, but we noticed that many gates are mounted between walls or stone columns, where the installation of our gate closers is difficult. Consequently, we needed to fill up that gap to complete the range. With the new Panther gate closer, we offer you a solution for those situations. In the previous recorded webinar called The Power of the Gate Closer, we mentioned that the efficiency of a gate closer is besides the size of the gate, state of the hinge, also is depending on the position of the hinge itself. The greater the distance between the turning point of the hinge and the turning point of the gate closer, the lower the efficiency. Therefore, hinge and gate closer must be in line as much as possible. In the following three configurations, you can see which gate closer you may select depending on the position of the hinge to the gate closer. In the first configuration, both hinge and gate closer are in line. Here you can select, for example, tiger, mammoth, or rhino. In the second configuration, we see a distance between gate closer and hinge. Here you may opt for Samson 2, Verticlose 2, Lion. In the third configuration, we see again alignment between hinge and gate closer, but both of them are also in line with the gate. Here you can select the Panther. Locinox believes that gates and fences are an essential part of the overall design of a building. An aesthetic design comes standard with any of our products. Due to the minimalistic and discreet design of the Panther, you almost can't compare the Panther with the lunchbox. Durability is a very important theme for Locinox. All of our products have been developed for outdoor use, have industrial quality with a high life expectancy, even in the most extreme weather circumstances. Our products, price quality, for sure the best choice. What about the specifications of the new Panther gate closer? The Panther can be mounted on gates with a maximum width of 1.5 meter, maximum gate weight 150 kilograms. There's a 3-year warranty given. The Panther has been tested on a minimum of 500,000 cycles. Temperature variations have no effect on the functionality of the Panther. Quick fixes are delivered with the Panther for easy installation. The Panther fully meets the requirements of the standards ADA, PMR, and ROSPA. Like our other gate closers, the speed and final snap are precisely adjustable for your comfort. As mentioned in the beginning of this webinar, when mounting gates between walls or pillars, installation with our standard gate closers can be difficult. The new Panther gate closer is here the perfect solution since he can be mounted above the gateway. You see here post mounting option. Also we have the wall mounting option where you can see that the Panther is installed above the gate wing and that the gate is installed between two pillars or two walls. In this nice picture, you see an installed Panther gate closer, Locinox hinges, surface mounted LA lock with a compatible handle pair. There's also an electrical key present, which is being operated by the Slimstone. And we have here also our nice LED light called the Tricone. The new Panther gate closer has a big versatility in use. We can use it for wall mounting in 3 different situations. Situation A is mounting underneath the top wall. Situation B, mounting above the top wall. Situation C, in front of the top hood. Post mounting is also possible. Situation D and situation E is only different because of the usage of 90-degree hinges or 180-degree hinges. Shortly, I would like to guide you through some installation steps of a Panther, which is wall mounted according to situation A. With the delivery of each gate closer, there's an instruction manual. Please respect all the dimensions noted on this instruction manual. Since the maximum opening angle of the Panther gate closer is 120 degrees, we recommend to install a gate stop if this is necessary for your situation. After drilling the holes in the gate and the wall post, mount the wall plate by using the delivered anchor bolts. Which is a nice feature of the Panther is that the alignment of the Panther can be shifted with the maximum of 120 mm. Shortly, here a video to indicate and specify this more. The next step is installation of the gate closer itself. The gate closer can be installed on the right and left opening gates. On the gate closer there are 2 orange caps present, which keep the pre-tensioning of the gate closer present. To install the gate closer in a correct way, please look at arrows which are drawn on the orange caps. Here you can see that it's indicating a clockwise direction. On this gate, here you can see it is opening in the clockwise direction. So this Panther can installed in this way on the L plate. After the installation, please remove the bottom orange cap. After installation of the rail, you can connect the arm with the bottom part of the gate closer. Just open the gate of a maximum 10 degrees and connect the arm with the gate closer. After fixation of the arm, you can remove the top cap of the gate closer. The gate will close automatically. The speed adjustment and final adjustment just need to be executed. We always start with the speed adjustment and then the final snap adjustment. Finally, install the cover shield and the 2 side caps to have a complete, nice finishing of the Panther installation. Of course, we are here for you. For the UK market, Please contact Timothy for further questions. In case of unclarities, they can help you also. For additional resources, you can always take a look in our product catalog, which is always on our website. Please check our installation manual and our installation video also on our website, and join the conversation with a lot of people on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.